All right, it's time to build a bot. So we are inside the Xpress AI Voice Bot system where we're going to create a bot right now. As you can see, there are multiple bots that we've created for each different industry, and they're all using it for multiple use cases like inbound leads, qualification, outbound reach, updates, and updating all their current database and seeing where they are at. If they are interested in taking up any of the services, to generate more reviews, generate more referrals. Each different industry uses it. It could be used by accountants, lawyers, solar businesses, real estate agents, mortgage brokers. It can be used by plumbers, electricians, any other home service business. It can be used by medical centers, dentists, education and migration service providers, real estate agents, gyms, sports club services who provide investment options and FX trading systems. Even political campaigns and rallies can be done wherein you're calling homeowners and talking about the options about why they should be a suitable candidate for their vote. There are multiple use cases which can be used for this one. Now let's jump into one of these use cases. Okay, so let's look at this one for a medical center or a clinic. Medical center or clinic are going to mainly use it for inbound calls. So you can create an agent inside of the system for inbound calling leads when leads come in. But I guess a better example would be for an outbound leads and how we manage them. So let's take an example of a real estate agent, okay? And they're actually trying to call homeowners to see if they would like to get an appraisal or they would like to get an valuation of the property. So we're going to make this bot right here. And to do that, we are going to create a campaign from scratch. This is a dashboard that shows the data and the statistics. This is a dummy bot, but it will cover all the information that you will need to create certain bots. We can go into the configuration section, and in here you name the bot something, and then you are going to choose the voice that you wanted to use. Okay, when you're choosing the voices, you got multiple options to choose from. You have certain preset voices, but these are a little bit more robotic in nature. So if you are telling your clients that, hey, this is an AI assistant, then you can use those voices, and you can also clone some voices as well. So if you have your own voice or your best salesperson's voice, you can have it cloned. It just needs a 3 to 5 minute clear recording, and the voice can be cloned in under 1 minute. Once that is done, you have everything set up in place. Once that is there, we can make certain adjustments to the sound and how it feels like and get the ball rolling from there. Once we configure it, then we can use the prompt engineering section. Now, because this system uses ChatGPT 4.0 and the latest versions that will come at the end of the year as well, we are going to use the most advanced LLM, which is the large language model in generative AI, to get updates about the system and what all things it can be used for. Now, the entire structure is made with certain objectives in mind. What do you want the bot to do? So the bot can have an objective of sending out an SMS. So you can send out an SMS when somebody says something. So they say, send me a booking link, I will book it myself. Then the bot can go ahead and make a booking. But because the person is not wanting to go ahead and make an actual booking at the same time, they just want a link, the bot can be programmed to send out a link, not make an actual booking. If the client wants to actually make a booking and is happy to commit to a time, the bot is synced with your backend calendars and it can make a booking. Once a booking is made, our Express automation software can send out an SMS and a reminder for that person to show up for the bot. If they want a call to be transferred to a live person, that can be done as well. It can be transferred to a live person who can talk. Because it transcribes the entire call and records it as well, all the call data can be actually extracted. And specifically, if you have any pre-qualification questions, they can be put down onto notes and in separate sections for you to connect it with. The app connects with multiple platforms online for you to send backend data to multiple platforms that you want on an Excel sheet or anything that has an open API that can accept it. That works with Zapier can be connected through this one. Next bit is a knowledge base. A knowledge base is like a backpack that you can add on top of your entire bot, wherein it can go back and refer to more detailed instructions and back-end historical information. Like let's say for a real estate agent in this example, we can use the bot to have historical data of every street, of every sold property, at what price did it sell for. It can know everything about it. And if asked the question during a call, how much did this house sell for? Or what are the recent sales by this specific agent? It can actually answer that because it has a reference file to go back to. Once all of this is done and implemented, then you go into the prompt engineering section, wherein you answer all the prompts about what you want the person to do, how should the call flow go, what should be the steps that you should follow, how to handle all the different objections, how to answer certain specific questions. After the client shows some interest, how to pre-qualify them and book those most probable candidates onto a calendar for your sales representative to take it forward. That's all what the bot and the system will do for you in here. Now, our team at Express Automations does not only give you a software, but we give you a service in which the ongoing automations and processes and systems will be used and managed by us for you, so that all the things that you require will be taken care of and can be managed by us. If you need small tweaks and updates, the entire thing can be done and managed by us for you. So that's why we create an entire campaign for you and manage it ongoing. So this shows you most of the things that you need to create a bot and how to apply and implement it in practice. All right, so that was a short demo and introduction to the Xpress AI Voice Bot. If you think this should be applied to your business, then use the link in the description and book a time for us to give you a live demo. Let the bot have you called and talk to you directly and you see in action. Click on the link below and book in a time now for your live demo. That's me, Ram from Xpress Automations. Thank you.